Hi guys, today we're going to talk about grooming options for down there. Today we're talking about basically pubic hair, and just like the hair on your head, your nails, or your body, everyone has like their personal preference. I think we should go over what the options are. There's certainly the option of not doing anything and just, let your hair grow, and if you're comfortable that way, that's great. The most common grooming option is to shave down there. So there's all sorts of different types of razors. There's like the basic throwaway razor that you use once and you can just throw it away and it's a straight razor. And then there's also like the very feminine razors that have like maybe 4 blades and they're a little bit curved. These female razors are probably like the best ones to get a very close shave and to avoid razor bumps. You also don't want to use them too much. I would say just use them a few times and then just change the blade or toss them. You always want to use a shaving cream, and then there's these awesome things that they sell, like medication or kind of creams to help soothe or avoid razor bumps. So I got this one at the store, and this one is a spray that you just spray on after you shave. It also comes in a cream form or in a gel form, depending on what you prefer. You always want to try to use a shaving cream or lotion when you're shaving down there because the skin is very sensitive. You don't want any ingrown hair that can potentially get infected. Another option is to use a shaving cream. So this is a gel cream remover. These are mostly for the bikini area. They recommend not to actually use it on your genitals or your anal area. And it comes with instructions. Basically, you put it on and you wait like 5 minutes and then you rinse it off, either with a washcloth or just in the shower with water. It also comes in a spray form, and it comes with this nice little gadget that you can use to remove the cream when you're showering so that it's not all messy. There's a bunch of different brands. I just happened to choose the Veet because it's a very well-known brand and it's very good. And they also sell wax kits. Waxing is also another option to groom down there. You can also always do it at home, or you can go to the salon and have it done professionally. If you're not ready to go and have someone else wax for you, maybe you're shy, then certainly you can try at home. Again, they recommend to only use it in the bikini area, not to actually use it on your genitals. You definitely don't want to burn down there. So it comes with like the steps on how to do this. You open it up, you warm it with your hands, and then you stick it on. And so this isn't supposed to be like hot that it'll burn you. And then you apply it wherever you want to remove it, and then just holding it from the edge, you just pull it off. When you wax, it can be a little bit painful, so sometimes you might even want to take a Tylenol before you go to the salon so that you're not in so much pain. As far as the shapes for what you want to do down there, a very common option is to take everything off, and it's what we know as a Brazilian wax. Another thing that people do is to just leave a strip of hair. And then the bikini wax is just to clean up, basically, to just clean up the very top and the edges so that if you wear a bikini, there's no visible hair. What you prefer down there is just your personal preference. There's no wrong or right way to do this. The younger generation, or like younger girls, tend to take everything off, and maybe the women who are a little bit older tend to leave more hair on, but it's certainly a personal preference. Another way to remove hair is to have laser hair removal done professionally. And again, you can choose whatever shape you like, but remember, for laser, it's forever. So once you have it removed, it's not going to grow back. So if you're not really sure if you want to take everything off, then you should rather stick to a cream or the razor or wax before you commit to actual permanent hair removal. And just for laser hair removal, it's easier if your hair tends to be thicker or darker, because the laser detects basically hair coloring to kill the hair follicle. So you might want to shave a few times just to thicken your hair a little bit, and then you can go have your laser hair removal. So I hope this helped you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it. Thanks. There's this nice app that I always recommend to my patients. It's called My Days, and basically this is what it looks like. So the icon is like, it's this one in the middle. Looks like a little flower.